अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, मेरा नाम तलहा जमील है, मेरा ताल्लुक़ लाहौर से है और मुझे NLP के बारे में तकरीबन 2.5 साल पहले पता चला था। एक साहब थे, उनके पास मैं गया, सो आई सॉ एक सर्टिफिकेशन उनकी वॉल पे थी NLP का, तो मैंने उनसे पूछा कि NLP क्या होता है? तो उन्होंने मुझे ही एक्सप्लेन्ड मी नॉट सो विविडली कि व्हाट NLP इज़, बट इट स्ट्रक मी बिकॉज व्हेन ही यूज्ड द वर्ड्स it has to do something to rewire your brain. I said rewiring of brain. This must be interesting. I started reading about these things, but still, there's always a void. There's a gap. There's always you need to get filled. जब तक आप उस चीज़ को practically experience नहीं करते, वो चीज़ एक किताबी चीज़ ही रह जाती है. And I started working. I was jobless at that time, but my focus was that I have to do NLP. This came my priority. कि if I have thought about it, I have to do NLP. So I still remember the first time I talked to Mr. Kamran कि सर इस तरह है कि मैं NLP करना चाहता हूँ और किस तरह करूँ, क्या करूँ. So he guided me through some of the process, and which was, I believe, that was 2 years ago. Right after exact 2 years, after 2 years, मुझे मौका मिला कि मेरी कामरान साहब से मुलाकात हुई, इधर आया, and to be very honest, I've been saying it for the past days that I've been here, that it is such an ego breaker. It has literally shattered my ego, which I was looking forward for, that in a very positive way. It has shattered my ego, even some of my beliefs, that the way we think, why do we think? I have become consciously aware of some of the things that I always wanted to change, but I never knew the procedure of thinking in a new way. So I'm actually very thankful to Mr. Kamran Sultan and the whole team. I think so. He has been receptive. The ambience have been very homely. I really like his way, the eccentric way, the humor, the humor that he puts in, that kicks in, that brings that adrenaline in your body. This is the way. This is the way a trainer should be. He's catering every single person that there is in the market or is facing a lot of problems. So I would definitely recommend all of you to come here and become a part of this NLP, NLP family. And I hope that as he's bringing a change, Mr. Kamran Sultan is bringing change, we too can bring one. Thank you.